Just there. So this knife's got too sharp a bevel. We've got to drop that bevel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grind just the top edge of the bevel, not touch the sharp edge with an angle grinder. So now I've changed the bevel angle, but I haven't touched the sharp edge. If I touch that with that angle grinder, it'll go blue and it'll lose its temper. So I've just changed the angle but haven't touched the sharp edge. You put felt tip on the edge that you're going to cut back or sharpen. You can start at the top and just find out where your blade's up to, where your file's up to on the blade, I mean. Just now I've got the right angle, and just once I've got this down, there's a little burr forms on the back. The way to do that, remember, we only take the one side off, we never bevel that edge. We use a diamond file dead level on the back. Just you can feel that there's a bevel there because it just hooks on your nail like that. So now just dead level, we take that burr off. Dead level. Do the inside of the hook. So again, we use a 1/8 chainsaw file. This time, instead of working towards the edge like I should, I find it easier to break the rule and work the opposite way. So I rest it on wood and drop that bevel on the inside of the curve. We use the half round back of this little diamond file. Got to get the burr off the back of that. The little burr there. So I just get dead level till the burr's off, and then back in here. Done. Polishing it to fine and to get the burr off, because burr tends to work one way and then back the other. And now I'll do it with a leather strop. And it's dead flat there. You only have to lift the back a fraction and it'll cut.